Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope we're doing well and keeping those spirits high. So I got a request for a chest exercise. So we know some of the main chest exercises are bench presses and push-ups. And I know push-ups can be very discouraging. We don't want to do them all the time. They're a little bit hard. And we all don't have a bench to practice bench pressing. So one thing we can do is you can use a book, a bag, something heavy, lying on your back. Simply press straight up and down, contracting those chest muscles together. Nice and easy. Do it until you feel those pecs burning. Beautiful. Another thing we can do is simply an isolated contraction. I'm going to squeeze this book with my elbows out to the side and just feel my chest squeezing and contracting. You're going to hold this for maybe 10, 15 seconds and release. You can do that about 7 or 8 times. It's a great way to just engage that chest and build a little strength while you're at it. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you next time.